Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be filming a vlog, or I'm going to be showcasing a vlog for you. We recently traveled down south all the way down to southern Florida. Did venture out and decide to drive down. The reason being is that my older son is looking at colleges and we wanted the flexibility to be able to come and go as we please and not have to deal with the hassle of renting a car. So for that reason, we drove down. My car lease is also up soon, and we had a ton of miles left over. I originally leased my car for 15,000 miles per year, and I ended up switching jobs the time I was commuting to work, and it took me anywhere from an hour to 2.5 hours each way. 3 months into my lease, I switched jobs. I ended up working from home, and so now I have all these miles left over. So we decided to just use them up before my lease deal is up and venture down on a road trip. I will say there's a lot of pros and cons to a road trip. On the side, we did have a chance of bonding and we had a really nice time doing that. But on the negative side, I will say I probably wouldn't do it again. It's a lot of hours spent in a car. Anyway, stay tuned until the end where I will be showcasing a very special unboxing. This is a new item that actually just arrived while filming this video, and I'm very excited to share it with you. In today's vlog, I'm going to take you, as I mentioned, through my travels. We visited Savannah, Georgia, North and South Carolina, and then, of course, multiple parts of Florida. We went to Boca Raton, we went to Miami, we went to St. Augustine, and then on the way back, we stopped in Virginia, where I picked up a special item from Cartier, which I will be unboxing for you guys very soon, but not yet. We also stopped in Charleston, South Carolina. People love that city. Unfortunately, we didn't see enough of it. I will showcase everything here for you guys, but it wasn't a city that I absolutely fell in love with. I absolutely loved Savannah. I absolutely loved St. Augustine, but I was not a huge fan of Charleston. I know, don't come for me. We only spent a day. I will say I'm willing to give it another shot and spend more time there. I know people love that city. And of course, Miami. We did get a chance to see the building that I actually lived in, where I lived in Coral Gables in Miami as a child. So it was really nice to see that and share that with my family. I actually got a really nice picture of me and my boys in front of that building, which I will try and showcase for you guys at the end. Be sure to stay tuned until the end for that special unboxing. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. I do just want to mention, if you are a lover of all things fashion, beauty, skincare, and handbags, you've come to the right place. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you enjoyed this video. Share it with someone you love as well. Hope that they will also subscribe, and be sure to follow me on Instagram for more. All right, let's get into our video. I am in West Palm Beach, Florida, and you'll not believe who I bumped into, none other than Mrs. Lea. So we're just browsing and
shopping and
You're
enjoying a
moving
little
to South
party.
Florida, I hear?
I wish. That's my goal.
Yes,
That's the
yes.
goal. We're getting there.
We're gonna live together for a little bit.
Yes.
We're gonna warm them up to the situation.
We're gonna start our husband's Hermes journeys.
Everybody's embarking.
Everyone's embarking.
Oh my God, it's so nice to have you here. I'm so happy that we got to meet.
Me too.
Yes,
It's
yes,
so
yes.
exciting. We're having so much fun.
Yes, cheers.
Hope you guys enjoyed my vlog. This is the item that just came in while I was filming. This is an item I purchased and ordered online through Bergdorf Goodman. So I have an unboxed with beauty. Anyone guess what it is? This item was back ordered and I had to pre-order it back in like January. So it just came, it's now April. I've been waiting quite a while for this item. It's something that I will definitely be styling and wearing this spring. So without further ado, let's get started.
So because the sound quality is so bad, I am going to be doing a voiceover over some of the clips in this video.
So it does come with this beautiful ribbon.
I was really impressed with Bergdorf's gift wrapping. Their box and ribbon was so beautiful, the quality was superb, and this doesn't even get to the actual items. Needless to say, I'm really impressed with Bergdorf's packaging. Here I am just opening the item. I love the purple and the name of the Bergdorf. I'm taking some pictures here, of course, for my Instagram, and just continuing on my unboxing. Really excited for this item. The tissue paper matches the color of the box, which is that beautiful like lavender type lilac purple, beautiful. And here I'm getting to the actual item, which comes in a look-alike leather type box. I did use Rakuten for my purchase, so I was able to get 10% off cash back from Rakuten, plus an additional, I think it was 15 to 20% off of the actual Bergdorf website and a $100 gift card. So let's go ahead and continue showcasing this gorgeous box. Again, it comes with that buckle all around. It goes all around the box with that sort of faux leather. You have the description of the item here, and we have to actually unbuckle the buckle that goes around the box in order to open it. And some of you may have guessed it, but it is an item from AlAIA. I was really excited for this product and I'm so happy to have it. Here you have the 2 dust bags. So if you haven't guessed by now, you can probably guess that they are a pair of shoes. And here they are, my beautiful fishnet Mary Janes. I know these are super trendy, so let me know what you guys think in the comments. In the description box, do you like, do you not like, are you a fan? Do you think that this style will remain classic and stand the test of time? Personally, I don't, but I don't care. I will wear them anyway. I absolutely love the way this looks, and I will be including mod shots at the end, so stay tuned for that. Here you have the silver detail buckle with the patent leather Mary Jane strap and the patent leather that goes all around the fishnet look of the shoe.
And then it's got the AlAIA detail there. This feels like just regular smooth leather, a nice smooth leather, no cushion or padding really. It doesn't feel super soft. And again, you've got the buckle there with the silver hardware detail. On the bottom of the shoe, it says leather fabric upper, leather lining, synthetic sole made in Italy. Even though AlAIA is a Paris or Parisian brand, I got these in a size 37 women's. I have very sensitive feet. If you watched my Hermes unboxing and if you follow me on Instagram, with the Hermes Chypre sandals, free Chypre, and I always get it wrong.
So as I mentioned, if you watched my recent Hermes unboxing, you know that I purchased these Chypre sandals and I actually find them to be uncomfortable at first. I'm still breaking them in, but I don't find them super comfortable at first.
These, however, like I've seen them styled where like people wearing them have white on their nail polish or like a funny bunny from OPI, and it looks so cute with the black.
So here I'm going to show you how they look. I'm wearing the sweater from Commence, pants are J. Crew, and my new AlAIAs. They're super cute. I'm really happy with this purchase and I'm looking forward to styling them this spring and summer. I'm not sure if Bergdorf is still offering the same promotion I've received, but I'll include the link in my description box below. And if you haven't already signed up for Rakuten, definitely click on my link below in the description box. I do receive a $30 referral fee if you do sign up, so just a heads up there. But I think you also receive some percentage off as well towards your first purchase. It takes absolutely no effort to sign up for Rakuten, and you do get cash back on a variety of different stores. Each store is linked and included on their app, which you can download, and it will tell you exactly how much cash back you receive per store. It ranges anywhere from 1 to 2% all the way up to, I think I've seen as high as 15%, but I could be wrong about that. Either way, it's well worth it. You get cash back for literally just shopping. They pay out, I think, quarterly. You can set up your bank or PayPal account so you receive the funds direct deposit. I've already received, I think, a total of $350 overall, and I've been signed up for probably 5 or 6 years. I think my biggest issue is I forget to use it, but there is a way to include it so that it automatically pops up when you're on websites that are linked or affiliated with Rakuten. Okay, that concludes our video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time, thank you. Bye.